Undoubtedly, the JBL Go was one of the most popular speakers in the pocket size category. It has been introduced in 2015 and became so popular that more than 10 million units have been already sold. We had to wait 3 years to get our hands on the new model, but the JBL Go 2 is finally here and it got some new improvements. At the date of this review, the speaker can be bought for around $40. And it comes in this small, transparent box with only some papers and the micro USB cable included. So this is the speaker. It is the grey version, however it is available in several color options as well. The speaker can be bought in 12 different colors, so everyone can find the color they like. The JBL Go 2 has the same size as the older model, so it is one of the smallest Bluetooth speakers on the market. While the dimensions of the speaker remain the same, the design has been refined at several points, and the Go 2 has a more stylish and modern overall look. Unlike the former model, it got curved, smooth edges which fit well into your hand. The speaker grill was made from metal, while the body is covered by a soft, rubberized plastic. I think the designers made a good job here. The Go 2 looks well built and premium. On the top, the button layout remained exactly the same. Here you can find the power, the Bluetooth pairing, the volume up, down and the play buttons. They are not real buttons, only carved markings with matching color, so it can be hard to use them, especially in low light conditions. The Go 2 provides a limited music control capability, which means you can pause the music by pressing the play button and you can jump to the next song by double pressing it. However, it's not possible to go back to the previously played song or forward backward in a song. It got a built-in microphone, so it can be used as a speakerphone to answer phone calls. The biggest improvement of the Go 2 over the former model that it got an IPX7 water protection, which means it's completely waterproof. It can be submerged into 1 meter deep water for 30 minutes. To ensure the water protection, the micro USB charging port and the audio jack input port are covered by a waterproof flap. The design of the flap is great, it is easy to open and close and it seals correctly. The JBL Go has a loop on its side, which can be used to attach a lanyard or a carabiner to the speaker. Unfortunately, the Go 2 did not get this loop, so you do not have any possibility to attach it to your bike or backpack, which is definitely a step back compared to the previous model. The speaker has an audio jack input port, so it can be also connected via cable. In my outdoor test I measured around 70 feet Bluetooth range, which is a pretty long range, so it can be used well even farther from the Bluetooth source. The JBL Go 2 got a 730 mAh lithium-ion battery and it takes 2.5 hours to fully charge it. In my test, when I played various types of songs on the speaker at 70% volume, I measured 6 hours 40 minutes playtime, while repeating the same test at maximum volume, I got 3 hours 30 minutes. It is slightly better what I measured by the former model, but it's not outstanding. There are speakers with similar size but better playtime. It is worth to mention that after some days of testing, my first device stopped working and it cannot be repaired, so I got a new device. So this makes the reliability of the speaker questionable, but hopefully it was only an individual problem with my device. Under the hood, the Go 2 has a 40mm transducer with 3 watts output power, just as the older model. However, while the Go had a bass port, the Go 2 got a larger passive radiator. This is a promising improvement, since one weak spot of the Go was the missing lows and the weak bass. However, unfortunately, in my tests I didn't notice too much improvement in terms of sound quality. The Go 2 has a slightly bigger sound and a bit more pronounced bass, however the difference is not significant. To be honest, I expected a bigger improvement in terms of sound quality. Otherwise, apart from the missing lows, the Go 2 has a nice clear overall sound. You can check my sound comparison video here. One obvious alternative is the JBL Go, which is still available and costs around $20 less. It is not water protected, but otherwise there is no big difference between the two. If you are looking for something very portable and can pay some more bucks, then the new JBL Clip 3 is a more advanced speaker. It has a better sound quality, longer battery life and a built-in handy carabiner. If you are fine with heavier and bigger speakers, then in this price range you can find the Anker Soundcore 2, which is only splash proof, but in turn it has much longer battery life and provides far better sound quality. Overall, I like the new improvements of the Go 2. The new design is particularly good, it looks much more premium than the older model, and also the water protection is very welcomed and useful. It makes the usage of the speaker much more versatile. I think the sound quality is fine for such a small speaker, however I'm a bit disappointed since I expected more improvement here over the older model. So as a conclusion, if you want a nice little stylish speaker, then the JBL Go 2 is a good choice. However, if you are after the best sound quality for your money, then you can find bigger and better sounding speakers in this price range. So this was for today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You can find the product link in the description below. Take care and see you soon.